What is Amoeba Management? The Amoeba Management System is the Kyocera way of the lean methodology accounting system that is established a self-supported accounting system. That known as the Dynamic Management System for Rapid Market Response. The system is also developing leaders with managerial awareness and achieving management by all. It's the division and organization into small units called amoebas. When the amoeba unit grows, they're divided into two daughter amoebas like a cell division. As the parent unit is generating great added value, the child unit will clone its methodology for rapid growth. The Amoeba Management System growth indicator called hourly efficiency that shows the company's added value per hour. If you're interested to learn how you can improve your company added value, you can visit the link below to learn more about the Amoeba Management System.